Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okrasinski with your weekly screencast video. So, as we head into week 9, put out a schedule for weeks 9 and 10. After this week, we are on break. I mentioned it here in the announcement. Please catch up on any missing work. I will be around over spring break. If you need something, to send me an email. It might take me, I don't know, about a day or so to respond, but I am in town and working during that time. So, once again, we have discussion board 10, initial post due on Tuesday. It's the double entry journal. And also the responses Friday with the annotated due on Sunday, the 29th. All right, let me get to the course content here. Weeks 8 and 9. All righty. Of course, the double entry journal is the left-right, the debit credit, I call it, of working with sources. The textbook should do a good job of explaining the double entry process there. Let's see if I can download this document here. See if I can get it up on the screen while I'm mentioning this. You should have a couple of sources that you've been working with already for the annotated bibliography. You're existing. I don't need you to go out for new sources. Let's see if I can get this up on the screen. Maybe not. Here we go. All righty. Let's drag this over right here. Click this open. Let's enable editing. Here, you can do this with simple function here. I've downloaded a template. You can use it in Google Docs. You can use it as a Word document. It's a Word document here. Just download it and save it first before you work in it. That way it'll preserve the download for everybody else. Citation here, quote or paraphrase here. Commentary and analysis on the right side as described in the activity in the textbook. So I want you to do 2 sources, 3 entries, 3 separate entries, and 3 separate content commentary there. So that's exactly what we're going to do here. That's the template. Let me get that out of the way. Okay, and you can use that for this particular activity. Now let me get out of discussion 10 over to the annotated bibliography. Just upload that Word or PDF document. Make sure you read through closely the instructions here and make sure you have all of the requirements. Remember, there's an instructional video on the annotated bibliography and a couple of examples here. So this is where you'll upload your Word doc or PDF. 6 to 8 sources. I give you suggested word counts here, so you should be all set for this activity due on Sunday. All right. Then we're going to move into the working with the sources in the annotated in preparation for the research essay as we move into the back half of the semester. If you have any questions or issues, please send me an email. I'll be around.